Who gets a beer? This place is a mess, Bailey. You've moved everything everywhere. Clean up your mess. Got a pretty decent wine out there. What are we doing? And then we go to this. Today's gonna be an interesting day. Marcus from Roads Untraveled out here in California. He's filming a bunch of stuff for you guys. You're probably gonna see a lot of videos within the next month or so. We're doing a little thing. I don't know if he wants me to say it, but I don't know if it matters. Shit, I need to find out first. Fuck it, I don't know. We're gonna go see the Evo, the white Evo, the one that I drove. He's gonna go film that, and he's gonna go film mine. He's gonna do a comparison. He's gonna do independent films each one. It's gonna be interesting. I wanna see that car again. There's always a fun light right here. I'm gonna burn this car right here and get in front of him. All right, boys, we made it to Ozzy's house with the Evo. Marcus is filming right now. I kind of don't want to interrupt or be in the shots. But yeah, that nasty bitch is sitting right there. You remember that?
It always gets confused for an RS, but it's not because I still have to...
That as well.
Okay, yeah.
That looked pretty good up there.
Sweet.
And then I also saw like a couple others that were over here. I don't know how far that is, but they were, yeah, like kind of the... Don't hear about that, honestly. That's not... But I mean, yeah, what are you gonna do, right?
It sounded like that.
Sunset GT.
How long ago?
2 weeks ago.
Really?
Yeah, and then he's like, oh yeah, can I come on some shoots? And we're like, yeah, absolutely. Yeah.
So you found him out here?
Yeah.
You're saying,
yeah.
The biggest guys get to sit in the front. Oh, I forgot about this, huh? Kind of looks like the Subaru interior.
E84,
huh? You got a good station.
I have my ethanol content analyzer.
Oh, that's sick.
It's kind of...
Oh, that head mount though.
Yeah.
Sick.
People love it, dude.
Oh yeah.
It's killing it right now.
That's dope.
Gotta rock POV.
The guy over here has a supercharged NSX.
I remember this all too well.
When was the last time you were in this car, Shane?
I don't know, was it like 8 months ago?
Yeah,
a while ago.
Yeah, that was like, like 5 months ago, dude?
No, it wasn't 5 months. It was almost a year ago.
Was it?
Yeah, it was a while.
Yeah.
They actually have like professional signs.
Yeah, yeah.
Especially when you're trying to turn.
Man, they're squeaking like a mother today for some reason.
It's cold.
No.
Oh my god.
Told you, bro.
Damn.
This shit's real.
Damn. Oh my god.
California, and then you come this way, and then that's Anza Road, and like it's a giant circle.
It's gonna be a good day.
Here, and so it's like all nice and quiet here.
So it's like a resort.
Yeah, it's like a religious resort.
What's up?
What's up? My name's Marcus. I'm from Roads Untraveled. I'm like the fucking behind the scenes.
Yeah, that's
85.
Yeah.
Warm start. Those warm starts though. What you know about that, Marcus?
Oh, I know nothing. I drive a Toyota.
That first gear, dude.
I think I'll be upgrading my turbo though in the spring.
Yeah.
Yeah, when I get back, there's this guy who might be able to hook me up with a sponsorship for like a turbo and some dyno time. So
Really?
yeah. I mean, it's not gonna be like 500 wheel, but. Yeah, come up to Vancouver. We'll get you in an R34, no problem.
Yeah?
Oh yeah. Yeah, we know someone who has 3.
You guys are getting really meticulous with their shots. This video is gonna be dope. It looks like it's about time for Marcus to go take it for a spin and get their shots. I'm gonna try and get this thing starting up. I think I already got one earlier when he left the garage, but you can see it moving a little bit. And I'm gonna get all up in their shit and get them. I'm gonna get them street shots. I'm gonna be all up in your grill.
Oh, good. I thought I heard you shit talking Canada for a second.
Oh no, I love Canada.
Oh, okay, good.
USA.
That's not right.
America. Oh, yes.
Not a whole lot of traffic.
Oh, yeah, it's pretty dead.
It's nice knowing you.
Ah, thanks.
You going with?
No, I'm not. I'm just listening at the camera here.
He was filming me driving the R8 the other day, and like 5 corners, nauseous.
Oh yeah.
And like I'm the
really?
same, yeah, passenger seat. Yeah.
You had any type of like cameras or
The gas, alright. Where's the clutch grab point? Is
So
it
you gotta
closer?
ride it a little bit.
Okay.
Yeah.
Alright.
You'll stall it. Don't worry. He stalled it. Matt stalled it. Everyone.
What if I don't though?
Then you're.
I don't think I
then you're
stalled
boss.
it. Did I stall it?
Did you? No, you didn't.
I don't think I did.
You didn't. You're right.
All right. Well, fuck. I
If you did, you're boss. If you do, if you don't, you're boss.
Pretty much every time, even the simplest, easiest cars will stall sometimes. We got lazy.
Just give it gas. If anybody wants a house in Temecula, there you go. We're debating if he is gonna stall or not. I didn't stall. Will he stall? Is the question. Clutch is in.
Bravo.
Let's see who is that.
But he's having fun.
Yeah, I can get him to make some noise. Yeah. How's that, partner?
That was the big shot of adrenaline. Literally just like a smack in the face.
Yeah.
Faster than I even expected it to be.
I told you.
100%.
It's
Like,
right. It's nothing or it's all there.
Yep. I'm like shaking right now. No, like.
Did it again.
We gotta get your reaction for that. I mean, thank you so much. Oh my god. That is one hell of a machine. I was like, I wouldn't be surprised if I got arrested today. Like, this is one of those cars that would get you arrested in like a second.
Yeah.
Oh my god. It is 100% a street car. 100%. I did stall it once.
got him!
I stalled it once.
Okay.
Right over there.
And you have to use that too, right? That was the part you had to use?
Now, yeah, I gotta use it.
But yeah,
That's funny.
once it comes on.
So this is the nitty gritty camera car. Oh yeah. We're doing all the chase shots. That's it? Yeah, it's not that. No, it popped in my ear again when you drove by. Just like last time.
Jane, remember that lens I cracked last time?
Yeah.
Same one.
What came out of it? This car, what you see right here?
Awesome. One of the cleanest Evos I've ever seen, if not the cleanest. Like you were saying before, pretty much.
We have a couple of issues. Come on down, guys. Thank you very much.
Yeah.
Bottle.
Oh, that's mine. Okay.
Yeah.
And then we also have a small plant. That's the key plant for an endangered species.
Okay.
And then, well, you're standing on it.
Oh, okay.
So,
Sorry about that.
that's all right. What are you doing?
Oh, we're just grabbing some video of his car here.
That was short, right?
It's a part of the filming life when you get kicked out of everywhere. So give it 5 minutes and come back.
Or that, yeah.
I didn't even know where the hell we were at. What does that even say?
I'm gonna check the road real quick.
Wildlife oh, okay. So you guys pulled in the worst possible area.
Yeah.
Oh, hi, Mark. Oh man, I don't want to get your car all dirty.
Off a minute, he was gonna say like, yeah, we got some phone calls. We got some crazy guys driving a car out here.
randomly.
It's like, really?
Yeah, right.
Dude, come on, really? What?
No.
What are you talking about, dude?
No.
What you're standing on? That is called grass.
Yeah.
I have that at home. I'll bring it for you. I'll bring you some
I'll
grass. Just let me
replant
stand there for another
every
2
amount.
minutes.
Yeah, right.
Let's go. Let's go. Make your camera do something. Oh shit. Hold up. I don't know how to do that.
In the Fan Mods app, as well, there is a leaderboard system there, a ranking system, and there are also versus competition.
You hungry yet?
What's that?
You hungry yet?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, we're gonna go. Can we go grab some?
Yeah, let's get some food after this. Yeah, absolutely.
Look at that, dude. It's Garrett 35R.
All I see is big old muscles are there.
No.
Yeah.
There's no muscle there. They're just skin and ink. There's no.
Yeah, he's filming. It's almost a wrap. He's gonna get some low profile shots or low shots from the ground, and we're gonna follow him, get some of those. After that, we'll get something to eat. Pretty much done here. None of this is possible without people like you and Ozzy. So when you guys say let's up to do this kind of thing, it's pretty cool. It helps share the love, you know.
Evo versus STI. Here we go.
Pretty good spot so he can do some flybys here, hopefully get some successful shots. Got the drone going. Where is it? Oh shit, it's high. There it is. Someone's trying to turn around. I hear you. Such a clean engine bay. Yeah. We're gonna go find some food. Wow, the car's making me scream. Where are we going? I've never been there.
Matty G's.
Matty G's.
So
Matty G's. I've never been to Matty
You
G's.
can probably find it, or you guys can just follow me.
I'll follow you.
All right, sure, yeah, we can follow.
Or you can follow me if you can
Or
keep
you
up.
can follow me. Follow you.
Keep up with the Prius, boy. You don't know about that
Prius
Prius life. You don't know.
Baby.